Hi there, I'm Madam, or maybe not. So, I was given one very simple purpose. And it is to take care of this garden. Just see garden, right? Yes.
Is that Adam?
We should probably leave here. Here's the point. Every animal in nature live to their fullest potential because every other part of their environment lives to their fullest potential. This is how nature designed itself for interdependency. Now, as humans, our intelligence and technological advancement are taking us to a whole new level, and that is absolutely amazing. Here's what we need to understand: that progress is both our strength and our weakness. So we need to move from being apart from nature to becoming a part of nature. This is the noblest way to invent, to create, and to be more. I can tell you, we can unleash everything about us as humans. In fact, nature has innate very pristine technologies. We just need to look around and see them. We need to take action now.